2008 पणजे पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर हल्लो प्रकरणात पुलिसेचे साक्षीदारांची उलट तपासणी सुरू झाल्या. मुखेल आरोपी बाबूश मोन्सेरात आणि ताची घरकान्न जेनिफराचे आदोगादान तेन्नाचो PI तपास अधिकारी तुषार लोटलीकाराचे क्रॉस एक्झामिनेशन केले. सरकारी साक्षीदार तुषार लोटलीकाराक विचारिल्ले प्रश्न आणि ताच्यो जापो पळयात. प्रश्न: त्या दिसा पुलीस स्टेशनात फायरिंग जाल्ली? जाप: ना, कोणे तरी भायर फायरिंग केल्ली. कोणे केल्ली ती म्हाका खबर ना. प्रश्न: हल्लेखोरांची नांवां FIRांत कित्याक ना? खबर ना, हांव तेन्ना पुलीस स्टेशना भितर आशिल्लो. प्रश्न: हल्लो जावचे आदीं तूं खंय आशिल्लो? पणजे एके सुवातेर अनिसर्गीक मरणाची केस हाताळटालो.
Complainant has clearly mentioned the police personnel who were injured. However, he has mentioned that there was also people of the mob who were also injured. But these names have not been included in his complaint. The names are not mentioned. So our whole question was, why is it that either he doesn't know the names, which he has stated that he doesn't know the people who were injured, so or whether he has chosen not to give the names of people who have injured, because that is one of our defense and we cannot reveal what exactly the defense is.
Okay, आजच्या मॅटर
आता आजच्या मॅटरात सध्या Arun Raj has finished his cross. Advocate Rafi, my senior, also has finished his cross, and now further Advocate Raju has started his cross now. So at the next stage he will be for his further cross. Continue Zapale tegele. He is now more stuck with his client, that is Ryan Gudino, who he is representing. So his cross चालू है with regards to that as of now.
आजचे मेजर हायलाइटिंग
आजचे major highlighting is one. See, basically our whole case is that we have never gone to the police station, or my clients have not gone to the police station with an intention to have any kind of protest over there or any unlawful assembly over there. There might be a protest, but that can also be a peaceful protest. So our whole case is that we have not done anything and we have been falsely implicated in this whole case, and we have nothing to do with it.
Mr. Braza highlighted the question of the firing. What was exactly?
So firing, see, the thing is, Mr. Braz putting up that question, I cannot answer that question to you, because his whole thing is that there was firing inside the police station, and whether there was any bullet on the ceiling. So to that the IO has informed that there is nothing of that sort. So as and when now Braz, the thing is, Braz is also representing somebody at serial number 27. So he might bring up the question again and he might want something more from out of it.
Okay. Most of the defense advocate was not ready today for questioning. What was exactly?
See, the defense advocates, the thing is, junior advocates have come today and their seniors are not well. So I cannot answer on why they are not doing their cross. Probably because their seniors are not there, they have not continued.
Okay, what about the next hearing date then?
Next hearing date is now given on 3rd of January. So on 3rd of January the cross will continue, and probably I think most of them are going to adopt, because major cross is already completed by Advocate Arun Raj and Advocate R. Raju, my senior, has completed. So now Advocate Raju also is going deeper into it. So I think with Advocate Raju completing his cross, I think the whole cross will be done, and most of them will be adopted.
Today was for continuation of my cross-examination of the accused I represent. So it was a small cross, because most of the cross has been done by Advocate Braz. So I raised a few questions and my cross was over.
Okay, what are the major highlighting questions? Major highlighting questions. Means you said there was one firing. What was exactly?
No, I did not talk about firing. The firing was by Arun Braz. As far as I was concerned, see, my whole case is that my accused have been falsely implicated. We were not part of any conspiracy. We were not in the attacking group. And that our names have been simply included because we are supporters of Babush. That's our case.
तुषाराचे आयच्या दिसाचे क्रॉस एक्झामिनेशन सोंपले. 3 जानेराक परत जातले. प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गवस.